Does it record?
Yeah, but you gotta get up next to her. Excuse me, guys. Excuse me.
Will you get BMW in the background though?
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, I've accepted the challenge. A little bit so we can get the sign in there.
Hey, so when you talk at first, we need him next to you with the microphone. Are you okay with that?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I might have to get this one too. That's fine. Alright. We're ready? Alright, everybody. I'm Donna Gabers at East Bay BMW and Mini in Pleasanton, and I accept the ALS challenge. I was challenged by Boris Said from BMW Marietta and John Allison from BMW or Volkswagen of Marietta. So I'm going to challenge also a couple of people. I'm challenging Larry Maxson at Honda Valserino and Jason Berger from Kansas City Lexus. So, all right, here goes.
Oh, yeah. Nice, nice.